the OnePlus Open. It's nearly perfect. The screen in the front looks just like a normal phone, so you're already used to using it. Not too wide, not too short, not too long, not too anything. It's just a really good normal screen that right off the bat you're used to using. It's really light in the hand, especially when you compare it to other folding phones. And then the camera. Now, it didn't really have to be this big. I guess that was just mostly for show, but it does take absolutely amazing photos. Like in the past, when people used to ask me, hey, I want a smartphone and I only care about the camera. What's the best smartphone with the best camera? I would say anything iPhone, anything Pixel, anything Galaxy S Ultra series. So in the Ultras, not the normal or not the Plus. So any of those three will work. Now, OnePlus Open and OnePlus 12 join the party. They are some amazing cameras that take great photos in night situations, in dark situations, in normal situations, in any situation, telephoto situation, anything. And they're just amazing cameras. They blew me away. I didn't expect it. This is the glass back variant, but I have the fake leather variant, and honestly, I love it. Not only the design, but also just one less thing to worry about. So that's another plus for me when it comes to the OnePlus Open. I love that. The OnePlus Open does have the best inner screen when you're talking about how noticeable the crease is. When I'm using it, I never look at the crease. I never notice the crease. It's only when I'm like thinking about it and I look for it, you can see it. So honestly, I would even consider looking at the crease or thinking about the crease. I would just move on, because if a crease bothers you, all folding phones are going to have a crease probably for like the next 10 years. They're not getting close. Their UI is absolutely gorgeous. I love the ability to open up an app side by side by side. I love the floating window. I love all of it. It's right up there with the Galaxy Z Fold UI. It has a face unlock, and it also has a power button as a fingerprint unlock, and I love that. It's super snappy, super fast. You don't even notice it's there. Also, there's the mute switch that I love. I wish all phones would bring this back. Mute, vibrate, everything on. Mute, vibrate, everything on. Simple as that. The OnePlus Open is $16.99, and with any trade-in, doesn't matter what kind of smartphone it is, even if it's like a $15 not working phone off eBay, they'll give you another $100 off. Also, the OnePlus Open gives you a charger in the box and a case in the box. But with that being said, I would wait for a sale no matter what. Even if there's not a sale going on at this moment, wait. The OnePlus Open generally goes on sale for $13.99, and you can still do the trade-in with any phone and then get another $100 off. Now let's talk about battery life. It lasts me all day, and then when I go to bed, if it's at 25% or something, I can wake up with another 20%. I can plug it in with the 80-watt charger that came with it. It takes 40 minutes to get from 0 to 100. And go brush my teeth, get ready for work, shower, everything. Come back, you're at 100%. It's amazing. Period. It's so hard to find a flaw in this phone. But speaking of flaws, let's start with them. No wireless charging. To me, I never use wireless charging, so it doesn't bother me. But at the same time, at the price you're paying for folding phones, you should have all the bells and whistles, including wireless charging for those people who do want it. Another thing I don't like, IPX4. The 4, it means how water resistant it is, and that means it's splash proof, but you can't like drop it in the sink or something. This doesn't bother me because I don't care what that rating is. If you drop it in like the sink or the bathtub or something and it does get issues or it does break, and you send it in for warranty repair, they're gonna say nope, that doesn't count as part of the warranty, even though we told you you can do that. I don't really count that. Now what bothers me is the X. The X means it's not dust resistant. That bothers me because if somehow dust or sand or something do get in the hinge, it could damage the LCD, especially the inner LCD, and then you get all those black dots, and that really scares me. For smartphones, we already know longevity is an issue, so we're expected to pay a lot, almost $2,000 for a smartphone, that if it gets dusty or something, if there's any little specks of dust get in, you could ruin the only reason we bought the inner screen. So that's a little sad. With all that being said though, the screen is amazing. The battery life is amazing. The fast charging is amazing. The camera is amazing. There's no real flaws to this phone. I just really love it. So that's my review. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.